I'm going to show you how you can use the Uber app in 2025. First off, when you actually go to Uber, there's going to be a couple of sign-in options. You can sign in with your phone number, with Google, with Apple, or with an email. I'm going to sign in with my mobile number here, for example. Let me just sign in real quick. Once I sign in, you can see you'll need to put in your OTS code here. Now mine's just going to get automatically put in. Now you can see, once you actually sign in, this is what it will look like here, right? Now once you sign in, you can see this is what it will look like. You can go on rides, and there's also an eats here, right? So this is what it will look like. You can enter in your pickup point, and if you want to go eats, you can just tap on this board to go to Uber Eats. If you want to go to a ride, you just have to enter pickup point like this. Now on here, you want to enter pickup point. For example, I live in London here, right? So I live in London. I'm just gonna tap on my home here, London. Let's just wait for it to load. Now on here, you can see my home is London already, right? So it's gonna put it to my home here. Now, for example, I want to go to Poro Market. I'm just gonna tap on that, Poro Market. Now you can see it'll show what kind of path I will need to take here, right? So from home to Poro Market is around 3 minutes. Now you can see this is the actual thing here, right? So there's Uber X, there's Green, there's Uber XL, there's Executive XL, Uber Pet, Exec, Lux, Comfort, Lime e-bikes, things like these, right? You can see which one you want to pick. You can see if Uber X, it's around £12 here. If you want to order, just tap on Uber X, and then that's it. Your Uber will come.